I got a new stereo for the car because the old one was busted type shit. Could not play aux with it. And the radio, after I took it out and put it in, it was a little bit iffy. I needed to hold the wire in certain angle to get the best noise. It was a really staticky. Otherwise, it would then come and I would get it and lose it. So I know something was bad back there, but I can look at the wiring job here and it kind of makes sense. I think explains things. Right here is basically the adapter for the OEM one. Says my friend Juan works at here. Thanks Juan. So he was able to give me a discount. Came down to 58 bucks, which is kind of sick. We got the microphone. No one needs that. This is the okay. Yeah, we'll definitely need some shenanigans going on, but this is what I came up with. I could have, like, I guess how do you say it, trimmed it, but I just wanted it to be long enough and have enough play so it's not stretching anything. One, two, if I fuck up or if a connection comes bad over time, I can also retrim all of them and redo everything. It's like a second chance. Or even right now if I mess up, because I basically didn't double check anything. Love E36 door. It literally has a spot for your phone so you can record yourself. This goes back here. Nice. And then there is another thing that's literally on the back of the car. I mean, it's connected to the car. It's this, which I think is the antenna for the radio. So we'll plug it in, even though I'm not planning to listen to the radio. Yeah, it works now. Let's see. Just a random song. It's not. It works phenomenally. Works good. I just need to make a template for around it now. But yeah, the color kind of matches too, but not really. But whatever. We did the interior. You can see it in the other video, but we also did the AC in the older videos. So we have this right here, which could look better. So what I want to do is block off the vent and the climate control since the AC is not there. With something like this is really thin, so I don't recommend this, but it was cheap, like $3. But something like a 26 gauge metal would be $5, so definitely get that. I personally didn't get this because see, this is way thicker. We have it here. You want your template to be a little bit bigger, so you can just put this here, mark it, and cut it. For something this flimsy, you can't really use a grinder because it's gonna melt the metal and it's gonna be wobbly, like a bacon. So I just have to think about something because I don't have my Dremel at the moment, but we'll see. Alright, this is crazy. I just cut it with the scissor, regular ass scissor. I got a Dremel from my homie who had it, and it was just overkill, so scissors are doing perfect, phenomenal. Like, these are just like regular ass scissors. They don't even cut like strings good enough, but as you can see, they cut them perfectly. It's a little bit wobbled in some areas depending on how you cut it, but again, we're just gonna be sanding the edges down and it's gonna be flat. But right now this is what we got. We're not even close. It's too wide, it's too tall, but down here I think it's easy down there. So up here would be our main focus, which is a little bit too looped. As you can see, it needs to be more flat, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit more flat and see what happens. Alright, sorry about the lighting. I just really want to get this done just because I just think it's just so cool. I deleted the AC for this. So this is the curve. Fits pretty nicely, as you can see, on each side. This side needs a little help, but that side is definitely nice. So here needs to be cut, and up here needs to be trimmed, and down here there's a small gap, but I have a plan for the gaps if they get worse. But if they're like this, I think I'll settle for it. So I'll show you when it's done. So this is how it came out. I like how it came out. Looks perfect. It goes in just a tiny bit. I don't want it to be flush. I want it to go in a little bit. This here is a little flusher than, actually, I don't know. You can actually set it up many different ways, which I realize it's kind of hard to. It's not hard, but you gotta decide how you want it. Like if you wanted that much gap, then you have to go based on that, because over here and there and over there, you have to set it up differently and cut it differently, basically. But if you just go flush, then that's different also. Let me set it up. But the fact that this was super thin, like, it helped a lot. Like, I cannot see myself doing this with something thick that only can be cut with a grinder. So that 26 gauge, forget it. Just get something like this, bro. Or this can itself hold it. Like, this can be just sandwiched in between this and that, which is gonna be great because the sides have no clips. So I can just cut like from the side like this and have it like sitting like that. Yeah, that's sick. I just have to mark it and I can't make a mistake. All right, this is good. I already cut it up slowly by slowly. And then let's put this on. If this just clicks in, bro, like, I'm fucking. Alright, just kidding. Pause. Ooh. You can even tell, bro. You can even tell. Like, I could have easily done it in 2 pieces, but like right now, no screws are holding anything here. I need to bend this a little bit more. So if you want the wrinkle to look more even, it's better to use a heat gun. So you see that? That's even, I'm not even done. That's the first coat. All right, I got into the zone and just started hammering it out. But this is done basically. Over here, it's just literally held by this, which kind of clips into the bezel of this. This is the bezel. The bezel clicks into the actual radio, and I'm just gonna put a screw right here because this is literally nothing held on by there. I might put another screw here as well, like one here, or maybe 2 here, 1 here. Who knows? And yeah, that is it, done. Looks so good. You can kind of see the wrinkle, so it's a wrinkle black. It's not shiny black. That way it's kind of matching with this, kind of the texture of this. But yeah, looks good, I think. That's it. This is how you make it. Save yourself some money. And looks nice. You could relocate it down here too, but I just feel like this being down there is not ideal for road use, because then you're literally, your whole head's off of the road and not even just your eyes, and it's dangerous. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching, and comment down below if you think I should have done anything differently.